Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Harbor Freight website and discussing 10 items that I believe are worth picking up if you're getting into the professional field or been in the professional field a little while, but you're not somebody that needs to sink a ton of money into everything. Don't get me wrong. Tool trucks, high quality tools, they're fantastic for the professional field. Sometimes tools like that are necessary. Sometimes they're not. There are a lot of tools out there that you can get by with a lower quality, lower price, and they're still going to hold up just fine for many, many years. So we are going to do a few of these videos because obviously there are way more than 10 items at Harbor Freight. But if you guys have a few items that you highly suggest, please feel free to drop it down in the comments. Also, let me know your guys' thoughts on the items that we go over today. First one up being the Pittsburgh Long Reach Hose Grip Pliers. This is a 3-piece set. You get 3 different sizes, good for smaller vacuum lines up to like heater core hoses. I also like to use these for electrical connectors. No, the fit and finish is not the best on these, but for their intended purposes, working with hoses and for electrical connectors, they do just fine. And they're long reach, so you can get in those awkward positions and awkward places. I've had these for almost 10 years and they have been fantastic. You don't need a set that is super expensive when it comes to hose grip pliers. But they do have an Icon one available, as you can see down here, at $20, which still isn't priced very bad. And it's not a long reach, so maybe you want to have an assortment of longer ones and shorter ones. That is an option as well. And these are at $14 for the 3-piece set. Next up, we're looking at the Pittsburgh Pro half-inch drive 25-inch breaker bar. This one's been around a long time. A lot of people love it. I see it every week in the professional field. Many people use these still, and they are fantastic price. As you can see, they do go on sale quite a bit. You can get them under 20 bucks. Shoot, even at the full price of $22 now, that's still a fantastic deal for this size of breaker bar. And the other great thing is it's got lifetime warranty, so if you have an issue, you can easily get it replaced. But they also have the Icon half-inch drive. It's going to be a little bit beefier shaft on here, and it does run $40, so a little bit more expensive, but both of these are fantastic options. Shoot, even nowadays, a lot of the ratchets can break things loose that a lot of ratchets back in the day could not. So these are both fantastic options, whether you're somebody that just works on a lot of cars at home or if you're getting into the professional field. Next up, if you're getting into the professional field, if you're already in the professional field, you probably have a decent assortment of sockets and wrenches. But if you're just getting into it, this is a really good variety. Or if you're just somebody at home that works on a lot of stuff, this is a really good option. Now, this is at $430, which is actually priced really well, but we do see it go on sale quite a few times a year, and you can even pick it up for a better price. But they did a really good job on this set. Now, no, this is not going to cover everything that you need, but it's a lot better than most of the socket sets out there that include a lot of filler junk and wrench sets that have horrible coverage. And then you have a really good, you'll have a really good assortment of 1/4-inch drive, and then a decent selection of 3/8 and then hardly any half-inch. If you're going to give me a junk selection, a half-inch, just don't give me the selection at all. So I really like what they did with this set. You have some Allen keys, which is nice to have on hand. They're not the best. You got a few bits, but it's not over the top when it comes to the filler junk. You got a little bit ratchet, which is nice. You got a bit driver up here. You got some nut setters and then a screwdriver set. You also have combination wrench sets in both metric and SAE. And then you also have ratcheting wrenches in both metric and SAE. You got extensions. You got your universals, your adapters and reducers. And then you have a really good selection of sockets. Now, it might not be everything you need, but you'll kind of grow past this. And Quinn has done a really good job of making some quality stuff for a good price. Now, the ratchets in this set, I can't say how the ratchets are. It looks more like your generic design. Those, probably not. The Quinn ratchets that you find outside of this set, the non-quick release, those are actually pretty nice ratchets. But I think if you were to get this set, I think just going and getting an Icon ratchet, a few Icon ratchets or gear wrench or Tecton or Capri or whatever it may be, you can still get affordable ratchets that are going to be a little bit better quality than the ones included in this set. But overall, I think they did a really good job on this set. There aren't many sets out there like this, so really good to see, and I think this is a solid option. Next up, you have the Pittsburgh Pro half-inch drive lug nut impact socket set. This is an 11-piece set. They do have a couple different sets at Harbor Freight, but this one I've owned for close to 10 years as well, and I used this in the professional field for a couple years, and it did just fine. I use it here at home now, and I honestly only use like 2 or maybe 3 of them out of this set. So if you're just somebody at home that works on, 2 or 3 cars, you can get by with a smaller set as long as that smaller set includes what, you primarily work on, and you can save a little bit of money. But if you're somewhere where you work on various different vehicles, then a set like this is going to be really handy because you have so many different options. They have plastic sleeves on them to protect the wheel from doing damage to the wheel. They're also ultra thin, so you can take that sleeve off and work in really tight spaces, because some of the wheels out there can get really tight. It also includes a couple extensions, so I do like this. It's got both metric and SAE, but like I said, they do have a couple other options as well. They have this set that's a little bit smaller at $55, and then they also have like flip socket sets as well, which is a very common one. I don't have any experience with that one though. But this one at $80, not on sale, I think is a great option. Next up is the Ames Instruments infrared thermometer. And you can pick these up on Amazon or whatnot for, 15, 20 bucks. This one's a little bit better quality. I'm not saying that one of those isn't going to work. They even have a cheaper option at Harbor Freight. Yeah, this $23 one. I think this is a really good option though. It's got a programmable 3-color alarm, backlit display, automatic hold, auto power off, and it does run off of a 9-volt battery, just like the one I have here at home. This is a pretty nice little infrared thermometer though. And then they also have they don't show it here, but they have their thermal camera, which is like $200, which isn't bad for a thermal camera, because that's roughly what they start out at. But there are a lot out there that have a bigger display. This and the thermal camera can just be extremely handy tools to have on hand, because it can really help you diagnose, misfires or clogs in the coolant system. There's so many different situations that you can use these in, and outside of automotive as well. But this is just a fantastic tool to have. Next up is the Maddox Bearing Race and Seal Driver set. This is a 10-piece set at $40. Honestly, these sets, they're just, aluminum plates basically to help you install races and seals, so they don't need to be extremely expensive. Now, this has your more generic adapter that you actually hammer on, but honestly, it's not that big of a deal. As long as this bolt doesn't strip out, the plates are going to hold up just fine. They're not going to be any worse off than, some of your more expensive ones. So I think this is a really good price for this set. You can find cheaper ones outside of Harbor Freight, but I think this is a good price range to stick in. But if you want to step it up to the nicer handle, it's got kind of a comfort grip with the striking cap, and then it's also got a air hammer attachment, and this one is from Icon at $135. If you can catch this on sale or use a coupon for this, I think that's a really solid option. This is a 16-piece set. Having a set like this around, so you don't have to, because there are certain shops where you can, loan out tools. They may have a master box where you can kind of get some of the specialty tools. The thing with that is, if it's a job that you're constantly doing, then it can kind of be annoying waiting on a tool if it's already checked out. Also, tools that belong to a shop, a lot of times they're not taken care of. A lot of people beat them up, or you might be in a smaller shop where you don't have those things. And this is a very basic product that can be used pretty often. So just having one on hand, it doesn't need to be super expensive, and it'll help you get the job done. Next up is the Icon 10-inch pliers wrench. Very popular tool, obviously known from Knipex. This is at $40 from Icon. I think if you can use a coupon and save a little bit of money on this, because this is already not very far off from the Knipex pricing. So I think a lot of the Icon pliers are fantastic, but if you use a coupon or catch them on one of their sales, and these pliers are fantastic. Icon did a good job copying them. Just a great set to have on hand. I didn't think I would use the pliers wrench very often, put it off for years, picked one up from Matco, the Knipex rebranded Matco, because I got a really good deal on it. use it all the time, especially when I was fine-tuning the suspension on my Camaro, making adjustments. If you do alignments, things like that, a set like this can be very, very handy. So if you can catch these at the right price, fantastic buy. Next up are the Pittsburgh Fluid Line clamps. This is a 4-piece set, and there are lots of different styles out there. They have like these plastic ones. I haven't had good luck with these, but I've heard really good things about these. They're not the most high-end ones, but they are, you know, a little bit more durable than a lot of the other ones out there, especially at $8. I don't think that's terrible. And if you just need to pinch off a fuel line or anything like that every once in a while, this is a solid option. It comes with various different sizes. Then we have the Pittsburgh Seal Puller with 2 tips. These don't need to be super expensive either. Now, granted, there are tons of other brands out there that you can pick them up. A lot of them are all in the same quality range. It's literally just a prying tool. And this one is also at $8 and a handy tool to have on hand. Next up are the Icon Ratchets. And it's both G1 and G2. Now, I think the G2 is a big upgrade from the G1s as far as back drag. The G1s that I recently picked up a couple months back definitely have a lot more back drag than the G2s. I like the locking mechanism for the flex heads. I'm not sure if they're going to eventually phase out the G1s or if they're just going to kind of keep those around and then expand into the G2 more or what, but I own both and they're both really solid options. I like the comfort grip on the G2s more. The locking mechanism for the flex head is really nice. The back drag is really nice. The pricing is good. Even at the full price, they're still very competitive in their pricing compared to other ratchets in their price range. But especially, just like everything else at Harbor Freight, if you can just wait a little while during a sale or use a 20% coupon, you can get some really good pricing on these ratchets. And they honestly have a good selection already, and I believe it's just going to continue to expand because there are a few styles that they're kind of missing out on. They got some styles in the G1 that they don't have in the G2, and then they got some styles in the G2, you know, vice versa. Comfort grip, non-comfort grip, flex head, locking flex head, roto heads. And then these sets, I really like these sets as well. It is set up in EVA foam. If EVA foam isn't your thing, then this might not be for you. But I do like that you can throw this in and out of this blow molded case. I thought that was a really cool option. But that is it for the first episode of Tools at Harbor Freight that I believe are worth purchasing if you're getting into the professional field. Once again, let me know your guys' thoughts or experiences with any of the items that I mentioned today, or if you have a couple items that you highly recommend. Please drop it down in the comments. But if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. See you guys next time.